So if I were to go around onto the address bar and type in something like wiki, then you can see that it actually shows up some suggestions right here. So if you don't want such suggestions to actually pop up, then you can actually go around onto the three dot button right here and then go to settings. So once you go around over here on the left hand side, you can go around onto, let's say for example, you can go around onto privacy search and services and go around and scroll down until you see the address bar and search section. So over here you can see that search suggestions and filters is an option. So here it says show me search and site suggestions using my typed character. So if I were to go around and disable this and go around and then type in something like this, then it still shows, but it only shows out the search suggestions through history, favorites, and other data on the device using the typed character. But you can also disable this out right here, just like this. And once you disable it out, then you don't see anything. But if you were to go around and enable this, then you can see that as I type in wiki right here, just like this, then it shows out some related contents right here. But if I were to turn on the history right here, then you don't get the same information. You do see the other information based on what you previously says as well. And that is how you can go around and balance out the suggestions. But you can also go around and show more history or have more balanced suggestions as you like. And that is how you can enable and disable search suggestions and utilize them inside of Microsoft Edge browser. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.